Godmark Digital Services. So follow the instructions. This is it. So you open the app, Business Card Maker. Okay, we open it. It is loading. So if you open it, you see it like this. Please, we have create business card, then we have create business card with designer. So please just pick the first one. The second one is for premium. You have to subscribe to their channel. Every month you have to pay some amount of money, but this one you start from scratch. Okay, let's start. Always try to select the kind of style you want. We have portrait, it is standing like A4 sheet, but landscape, it is at the side, it is turned upside down. So always I like using this one. Yeah, I like using the landscape, so I open the landscape. So if you open it, this is how it looks like, empty like this. So we go to background. You click on background. Now if you click on background, these are the these are the backgrounds, and you can see key padlock here, meaning that one is for premium. If you register for their channel to pay money every month, that is where you go for the lock one. Okay, so now let's select our background. Okay, let's check which one is not locked. Okay, those that are not locked, let's check and then select a good one. Okay, I think this one is very good. Let's select this one. Okay, so we've gotten our background. So what are the informations we want? Okay, my business name is Godmark Digital Services. So I then go to text. Okay, I go to text, then I click on text. So I want Godmark Digital Service. So I'll start by saying Godmark. So the Godmark, I can design that one alone for the first time. So you can use these arrows to give it shape. So let's use that one, and this one you use it to turn the words. Okay, so I'm using this one now. Okay, so you can see. So I want it this way. Okay, I'll just add the editing side for you. So the font, you go to font, we have color, we have shadow, we have background, we have 3D. Okay, so if you want 3D, you click on 3D. Let's click on 3D. Okay, now this is 3D. Maybe I want to turn my letter or my words. Okay, these are the keywords or the buttons I'll be using. Okay, so let's use the first one. So you see, you can see. So how you want it to be, that is how you leave it. Okay, I want mine like this to be standing, so I move to the second one. That one, see, you can see. Okay, I want it to be middle, so I leave it at the middle. Then the last one, this is how it also looks like. Okay, this is how it also looks like. So this is how I want mine. Okay, so I finished with that one. Okay, I click at one side or empty space. So if I click on the letter, you see it will come back, but I don't want it, so I'll click here. Okay, so let me add a text. Godmark, so digital, then services. I then add this one. Okay, so let me stretch it. Okay, let me stretch it. Godmark Digital Services. Okay, so let's take it that this is my business name. Okay, this is my business name. So I've finished with it. Now let me go to font. Okay, font. I want to change the size and then the style of it. So I go to font. I click on it. Now these are the types of font we have. How this look like, if you click on it, that is how your letter will look like. So I click on this. Okay, you can see it has changed. Okay, let me click on this. You can see. Okay, so I like this one, so I'll leave it like that. Now the first one, let me select that one and then go back to font. Now we selected this one, I'll use the same thing, so you can see. Okay, so now you go to services. Okay, you can write services, or you can say what we do. Okay, what do we do? Or you can say services. So services, meaning these are the kind of works you do at your business center. Okay, so here is a subtopic, so I'll change the font. Okay, I'll change the font because it's a subtopic, or is a subheading, sorry, subheading. So I'll take this one. Now I'll stretch it. Okay, now what are some of the services? If I want, okay, I can bring it this side at the middle, something like this. Then what are my services? The services I do, I go back to text. Okay, I go back to text, click on it. Now I'm coming. Well, if you are dealing with something like this, please always try to get prepared. Your business card information, or the company you are creating it for, try to get their information first. Okay, so I go back to text. Then I already have my information here, so I'll click on it. Okay, boom, I've gotten it. So I'll go out here and then check it out. I'll check it here. Okay, I've gotten it. Now I use this symbol to stretch it to the level I want it. Okay, so I've gotten it to the level I want it. So I can bring this one up a bit. Then this one up a bit. Now remember, you'll be giving you have to leave a space for other stuffs. Okay, so let's take it that these are my informations I do provide to my clients: business card, e-commerce store, business placement on Google, birthday card, and then call card, and all other stuff. So these are the things I do in my business center. Okay, so what am I going to do? What I'll do now is I'll look for the location of the place. So I go to text. Okay, I'll go to text. Let me go to text. Okay, let me go to text. Okay, so I go to text. So contact. So contact over here, I'll add my contact. So here you are adding the company contact. Okay, so let's move on. So I've gotten my contact here. Remember, this one should be we are going to font. We need to change it to make it very nice, bold, so that people can clearly see it. So here, good, I've gotten it. So if I want to use the same text, I'll copy this one. So I'll go to duplicate. Okay, duplicate. So let me select, then I go to effect. Oh no, not here. I'm coming a minute. click on it, then I go to okay, good. Duplicate meaning you if you click on this one, if you want to use the same font style or size, font size, you go to controls, you click on the word, then you go to controls, then you go to duplicate. So I click on duplicate, it has copied it, you see. Okay, so I double click on it because I want the same font. Here I'm going to enter my location, okay, the location of the business, okay, the location of the business. So location, then you go to, let's say it's Banda Ahingru, okay. So I say be something like Miziawa Lane. Okay, so I check this one. Okay, so I try to stretch it and then give it a very nice size. Remember the watermark there, there's a watermark there, a watermark. If I don't want the watermark to be on it, what I have to do is I'll click on the watermark. If I talk of watermark, this one, business card maker, you can see it down there, that is called watermark, okay, that is called watermark. So here we try to stretch it, okay. Make sure you arrange it well so that it looks so fantastic. Okay, so if I want to take off this watermark, what I'll do is I will click on it, then I'll watch ads or adverts. Okay, this time they don't have ads, okay, don't worry, I'll show you how to remove it. So you click on it, then you go to this one, you go there, you go to no thanks. Now they say what, watch now, so you watch advert, okay, then you click on watch now. You see the advert has come and it is reading up there. You see, if it comes 0, okay, now you can click on the times to cancel it, the watermark will run away. Okay, boom, where is it? It has gone. That's good. So we can stretch it to the level we want. So now we are moving to the last area, the last but one. So here, Godmark Digital Services is the name of the company, okay, but the owner, you can bring the name of the owner, okay, you can bring the name of the owner if the person wants it. So if the person wants his or her name, you can write the name of the person there. So CEO maybe Godmark, you get it. So let's take it that this is the name of the CEO. It can be Mensa so and so, it can be Nate, it can be so and so. So here, so CEO, you can bring it down there, okay, you can bring it down, but remember you should go very down to the very down. Okay, so location, then we have this one. Make sure you can stretch this one in order not to leave too much space down there. So here we go to the timing, okay, timing, you go to this one, click on it. So so you can write work days, so work days, you click on this one, so you can leave a space there. Okay, let's move this up a bit. Okay, let's move this up a bit. Then this one up a bit. Then this one up a bit. This one, okay, up a bit. This one, okay, let's leave the zero there. Then we move to the timing. Oh, where did I drop it? Okay, the work days. You can see the work days there. Okay, the work days. Okay. The work days. Okay, so we move to work days. So work days, you should bring it down here. Okay, bring it down here. Bring it down there. Okay, so something like this. Then this one we reduce it small. Okay, good. So the work days you can use Monday to Saturday. Okay, we click on yes. So these are our working days, our working time frame. Okay, so just look at the something. I mean, the size you want. So here I want to use the same font size. So what will I do? I'll go to duplicate and click on it. Now it has copied. Please, if you press on it once, it has copied already. So you edit, double click, then you edit. So work days, then that is the time. Maybe we say 8 a.m. to 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, so I just add it here. Please, you can add another mark here because it will be fixed to the first one. Okay, so we can fix it here around this side. So we are doing business card. So here the contact, you can decide to use the WhatsApp symbol or you can use any other thing. If the person is having Facebook account, you can add it. Okay, Facebook account. So you can add Facebook account if the person wants you to add it. So you can go to text. Okay, go to text. Then you click on it. Facebook account. So it can be like Godmark Digital, Godmark Digital Services. So you join them together. So this is my Facebook ID or URL. So you can add that one to here. Okay. Okay. So that is how it is. So that is how it is. So you look at it, how you think it will be. So here we can stretch this one and give it a full line. Okay, good. Then we fix this one under it. Okay. So here, let's add one dash to differentiate it from good. The work this. Okay, so this is how it is. This is how it is. If you want to, this one you can stretch it and you can stretch it by changing the 3D. So you go to 3D, then you change it and make it straight. Okay. Okay. So here I can decide to stretch it very large. Okay. So here we can see it there. Something like this. You should be creative. Okay, be creative. So that is it. That is it. Alright, so thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is how it is. So the services, you can bring it at the middle. So finish. We have other stuff you can use. Okay, the effect, we have effect. You can use them. These ones are all for background. The effect. Okay, the effect. Then we have art. You can go to art. Okay, and then add more to it. Okay, so let's go back. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you. So you save it. You save it as image. So the size you can use 50 by 28. You save it. That is it. So I finished. It has been saved. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Alright, thank you.